Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a form page in System.io. You'll learn how to create an inline form for collecting leads and how to set up a contact form so visitors can easily get in touch with you. And if you want to try System.io for free, check the link in my description. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your System.io account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the sites and select the sales funnels. So here you can create a new one by clicking the create, or you can open the existing funnel. And from here, you can click the add step. For the name, select for any name that you want to. Like for example, and click the drop down below. Look for the opt-in category, then look for the inline form, select it, and click the save button. So from here, you can select any template that you want to. This one. Then look for the edit page, open it to open the editor page. And inside the editor, you can customize your form by changing the headline, text, colors, images to collect visitor information, and you can drag a form like this one, drag this form into this um, form input onto this page, and you can add fields such as name, email, phone number, or create your own custom fields. Like you just hover the gear icon and select the input type you want to. Like for example, I'm going to use the phone number, and that's it. Now as we go back here, you can drag another form inside the form input page. So in order to add another field in it, you just have to drag anything you want inside. Then you have to go back here, then click the gear icon if you want to add something inside, like for example first name, and you can customize this one. So then once you're happy with the design, you can click the save changes. So if you want to automatically follow up with people who submit the form, go to the automations and create a new rules. Right here, click the create button and here. And from here, you can add a tag and subscribe contacts to an email campaign or redirect them to a thank you page after they submit the form. And after setting up your automation, return to the funnel and publish your page. You can then share your page URL with your audience through social media, email, your website, or anywhere you'd like to collect leads. And that's how you to create a form page in System.io. Whether you're collecting leads with an inline form or allowing visitors to contact you directly, the setup only takes a few minutes. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching on this one.